I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to charge your Tesla Model 3 in the UK. First, understand the different types of connectors you'll encounter, primarily Type 2 for AC and CCS2 for DC rapid charging. Next, we'll look at convenient home charging setups, from standard outlets to dedicated wall connectors. Finally, I'll guide you through navigating the extensive public charging infrastructure, including Tesla's supercharger network and other popular providers. Let's get started. Charging at home is often the most convenient option for your Model 3. You can use a standard 3-pin plug, which offers a slow but steady charge, typically adding around 8 miles of range per hour. For much faster charging, consider installing a dedicated Tesla wall connector. This can provide up to 30 miles of range per hour, fully charging your car overnight. Remember to check your electricity tariff for off-peak rates to save money. When you're on the go, public charging networks are essential. Tesla's supercharger network is incredibly reliable, offering very fast charging speeds that can add hundreds of miles of range in a short time. You'll also find destination chargers at places like hotels and shopping centers, perfect for topping up while you're parked. Additionally, many third-party networks, such as InstaVolt and PodPoint, provide CCS2 rapid chargers for your Model 3. To get the most out of your charging experience, always precondition your battery before arriving at a rapid charger. This warms the battery to an optimal temperature, allowing for faster and more efficient power transfer. The Tesla mobile app is also a powerful tool. Use it to monitor your charging progress, receive notifications, and even schedule charging sessions to take advantage of cheaper electricity rates. For other great deals and to check out those darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty, make sure to look at the links in the description below. Happy charging!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.